Kelley.
I'm Jana.
And we are Laundry Day Life. And so we are, this is our first video blog, our first
vlog.
And we are going to introduce ourselves to you and get started.
Yeah, we're going to tell you a little bit about what we hope to bring to you and a little bit about who we are.
Perfect.
So we met like a minute ago in college.
It was a long time ago.
A minute ago.
We both went to SMU, Southern Methodist University in Dallas, Texas. Go Ponies.
Yeah. So we met back in college and have reconnected recently and bring with us our plethora of life experiences and mishaps and trials and learnings.
I mean, like some mishaps, mostly good things.
Yeah. What was it you said earlier? You look fabulous from the outside, but it's all a ruse.
It's a ruse. It's good. It's shiny from the outside.
We're gonna teach you our little tips and tricks. It is Laundry Day Life because that is the day that literally everyone calls, everyone needs something from you, and you are tripping over piles, both clean and dirty, and sometimes you can't tell the difference and you just grab something.
So we thought we'd tell you who we are first. So let's get started. I am Kelley, and we're going to show you things that kind of describe who we are. Us in things, as Jana says.
Yeah, us in things. So my first thing is eye cream. Seriously, no joke. As I creep up, look at those bags, man. See?
Can't see
I creep up on 40.
Can't see them.
Eye cream is everything. And if you know me, you know that I use it 3 times a day. And one day I am determined to wake up looking like I'm 25 years old.
I feel like I did wake up like I was 25. It was 11 years ago. It was a good day. And
so there's that.
I'm a mom. Such is the life. But I do like blush. I feel like it's the cure-all. If you feel like you're waking up and you don't look fresh, it's because you don't have enough blush on.
I don't do blush.
I know. I don't understand how you can live your life that way. But that's fine. That's fine. We're kind of a yin and yang thing. Like
East Coast, West Coast.
Yeah, true. All right. So I like blush. This is my favorite blush. Actually, it has been for a long time. I really like Orgasm by NARS. It's I might have bought it at a time in my life where I thought, hey, this is a fun product with a fun name. Let's try it out.
I mean, my favorite powder is called Champagne.
We're same theme. But I do love it. It's actually great. And I try not to leave the house without it because I think I look prettier with it. So there's that.
I kind of feel like I might like blush now. That one.
You should try it.
Okay. Number 2. Present and Not Perfect. I literally Googled mindfulness and this book came up as very highly rated on Instagram. It was really cheap. And it gives you just a little bit of a something to do every day to take a moment out of your day, stop focusing on all the crazy, focusing on everyone pulling you in every direction. Sometimes it's just a cool quote. Strive for growth, not perfection. So this is my slow down and be present.
That's good. That's very good. We're going to turn corners quickly. I like gummy bears. I realize it's not quite mindfulness, but it does make me happy. So there's that. I like gummy bears. They're delicious. I like to share them. My kids like them. My friends like them. And I pretty much always have them in my purse.
So in my past life, in middle school, I used to get bags of gummy bears for my birthday. That was what everyone would give me.
Our Easter bunny brings bags of gummy bears.
It's a good bunny. Sticking with my mindfulness theme, and I just showed them. These are Buddha Girl. They're local Dallas. They're super easy to come on and off. They're squishy. They don't make noise. I wear them literally every day. I wear them with a swimsuit. I wear them with a suit. I wear them all the time. And whether your intention is to say a wish, make a prayer, or set an intention for the day, you do that with every single bracelet you put on. And at the end of the day, you reflect back on your blessings and you buy them in bulk so that you can share them.
I got them too.
And share that mindful glamour with anyone else that you meet or someone else in your life. I'm an inner hippie.
I like it. I'm not an inner hippie, but maybe someday. Until then, I like wine.
I like this.
So I like wine. I like drinking it with my friends. I like drinking it with my husband. and I like the way it smells there. And I feel like it helps me be mindful.
Ooh, I shall try that one more.
I'm not sure if it does, but
I think it does.
does it?
Yeah, I mean, you take a sip, you take
It
a
helps
break.
me focus on my blessings.
Yes!
My little blessings. Anyhow, Jana, you were saying? Your turn.
And on to anti-aging, again, or back to. So this is from Clover Tree. Full disclosure, I work for this company.
I don't.
So you can love it anyway. Here, wait, smell-o-vision. Smell this.
Oh, that does smell good, actually.
Right? Okay, so this is like the amazing trio of oils. It's helichrysum, frankincense, and lavender. It helps tighten your skin, get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, helps with scars, circles. I really am noticing these as I'm like pointing out all the things I do to get rid of
What
them.
you need to not do is not notice them and just tilt your head up.
Or drink my wine and then I won't notice.
See?
So this is called Wonder Tonic. It really smells ridiculous. And I put just a couple drops on every morning and every night with my eye cream. And again, I will look 25 any day now.
Call me when that happens. Until then, I also, okay, so there's a couple things I'm sort of into. I like bunnies. It sort of started a while ago, but my nickname's Bunny. Well, it's a long story for another day. So I like bunnies. I have bunnies all over my house. And I also like duckies, little ducks, because I have 3 little ducks. I have 3 little girls. And I don't know, I think it's sort of funny. It's like they follow me around on the mommy duck. They kind of peck at me a little bit, but they're sweet and fluffy and you love them anyway. So I like duckies.
I appreciate it. And my last but not least, I'm sitting on it over here. So I love a good denim jacket. I was born and lived in the 80s. And
You're a millennial.
I am not a millennial.
If you're born in the 80s,
Listen,
you are a millennial.
This is where I'm going to need comments. And people, please comment and let us know what you think.
Google it and back me up. She's a millennial.
1980 is not a millennial.
That's literally the year that millennials started.
Okay, so denim jacket. And here, this is perfect right now. Good vibes only. Only good vibes. I'm a hippie. Listen, I was just born in the wrong decade. I am not a millennial.
Nothing wrong with it. You're making a vlog. You're a millennial. I like to travel. I like to travel. I like adventure. I will try anything once. It's true. Probably like it. So this is from my last trip I took. I swam down to the bottom of the ocean all by myself. And I grabbed this off the ocean bottom, and here it is. I took it back home, and I'm actually really proud of it.
That is like super impressive.
I know. It was a lot of fun, too, actually.
Where were you?
I was in the Caymans.
Oh, fancy. Okay, now I'm jealous, and I think it's cool.
Yeah. I like to travel. I like adventure.
So that's us. That's us in things.
Us in things. And now us in a blog is going to be Laundry Day Life. And we will tell you all of the things about fashion and beauty and recipes and life
And mindfulness and oils and kids.
and wine.
Actually, we do have some wine blogs
I
coming up.
know.
We're not
We've
even
got all the
kidding.
things. We've got all the things.
So you can find us on www.laundrydaylife.com, and we have an Instagram, a Facebook, a YouTube channel, and a Spotify. And do go listen to those channels. I've worked hard.
I don't have Spotify, but when I do, it will be my first channel.
Laundry Day Life.
Bye.
Bye.